The first question is, who sang the song You Don't Know My Name? The correct answer is B, Alicia Keys. Question 2. Who sang the famous song It Ain't Over Till It's Over, 1991? The correct answer is D, Lenny Kravitz. Question 3. Who sang the famous song Als de Dag van Toen, 1975? The correct answer is A, Reinhard Mey. Question 4. Who sang the famous song Somebody Loves Me in 1924? The correct answer is D, Ray Miller and his orchestra. Question 5. Who sang the famous song Pictures of Lily, 1967? The correct answer is B, The Who. Question 6. Who sang the famous song Fool to Cry, 1976? The correct answer is B, The Rolling Stones. Question 7. Who sang the famous song A Cup of Coffee, a Sandwich, and You in 1926? The correct answer is C, Gertrude Lawrence. Question 8. Who sang the famous song You Can't Keep a Good Man Down in 1920? The correct answer is C, Mamie Smith. Question 9. Who sang the famous song I'm Just Wild About Harry in 1922? The correct answer is A, Paul Whiteman. And the last question is, who sang the famous song Adeste Fidelis in 1925? The correct answer is B, Associated Glee Clubs of America. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.